reverse transcriptase. It is another enzyme necessary for recombinant DNA technology and to proceed its different steps. In 1970s, Temin and David Baltimore independently discovered one enzyme which is known as reverse transcriptase. Name indicate that it transcript in a reverse direction. That was retrovirus used to produce DNA copies of their RNA genome. Reverse transcriptase, an enzyme, is useful to transcript or produce DNA from RNA. This enzyme can be used to construct a DNA copy known as complementary DNA of any RNA. Okay, so reverse transcriptase are RNA-dependent DNA polymerase which binds to RNA template, convert them to their complementary DNA sequencing sequences in the presence of a nitro base, which is known as DNTPS, and other necessary cofactors. For examples, there are many examples like Evin blastoma viruses, leukemia viruses of murine. Then there are certain other viruses which are also known as RNA-dependent RNA polymerase, which is derived from reverse transcribing viruses. RNA act as a template over here that like messenger RNA. RNA is a single-stranded and then tends to form a structurally secondary structure of via this Watson and Crick base pairing, means double pairing, which was concluded by Watson and Crick. Eating the template is essential in order for it to be linearized prior to annealing of the primer. Primers are a starters which starts the reactions. Normally, primers are of three types. Oligo-DT are the synthetic DNA strains which can represent as a T nucleotides as it as 5' to 3'. You can see that this is one of the primer. Gene-specific primer can be designed to annul to the specific gene. Random hexamers consisting of 10 base pairs, which randomly produces RNA molecules. In this process, you can see how the synthesis of double-stranded complementary DNA occurs via using mRNA. This messenger RNA, which has one primer and starter, or you can say which can be useful for identifying it. By using reverse transcriptase enzyme and some free nucleotides, it synthesizes this type of complementary cDNA and then creates a loopful. Here it is like hairpin loopful, which will initiate the polymerization. Okay, and this by the help of DNA polymerase 1, it will synthesize a complete double-stranded cDNA. This is the brief that one product produced for the synthesis of cDNA. Reverse transcriptase synthesize a copy of DNA of the mRNA using the primer or oligo-DT primer. That RNA, as a result of RNA-DNA hybrid, is degraded to produce a single-stranded DNA structure. After this is synthesized, so whatever the mRNA was, that was destroyed or degraded by RNase H or alkaline H enzyme. Okay, and then that single-stranded DNA will act as a template, and by the hairpin loop type of arrange end, it will synthesize double-stranded DNA. terminal transcriptase, terminal deoxynucleotide transferase, terminal deoxynucleotide transferase, TDT. So, normally we can isolate this from many immature cells of beta B lymphocytes or T lymphocytes, or acute lymphoblastic leukemia or lymphocells. Commercially available TDT is purified from recombinant E. coli cells, expressing in such as any thymus genes of rat chair, then mouse chair, calf chair. These are the sources from where we can collect. Normally, it functions for addition a particular nucleotide to the 3' end of a DNA strand. Does not require any type of template to synthesize, and preferably substrate is protulated 3 days overhead. Like this, probe is prepared. In probe preparation, we can use it. Terminus transferase and cloning of homopolymerase chain. Like this type of terminus are used, which does not require any template, either in a double-stranded or single-strand. Another such enzyme which is necessary for this process is an alkaline phosphatase. There are many sources to collect, from bacteria to calf and shrimp alkaline phosphatase. Its role, phosphatase is used to for the removal of phosphate group from 5' site from DNA and RNA. X on 5' overhang and 5 recession ends or blunt ends, means it will be extra. Okay, this type and its application is to prevention of self ligation of factor and removal of 5' phosphate group before end leveling of ending of leveling. Third important enzyme for this recombinant DNA technology is DNA ligase. As a part of cutting of DNA, another major requirement is to join the DNA fragment. And DNA ligase are the enzymes which are useful for this. They were isolated from some E. coli or E. coli which were infected by bacteriophage T4 by Martin in 1967. There are 3 categories of DNA ligase: bacteriophage T4 DNA ligase, E. coli DNA ligase, and Thermus equatus DNA ligase. Now, the function of DNA ligase is to join the discontinuity of 2 molecules or 2 bases, and another is to join 2 different fragments. There are different sources, but their application is the same. In this, you can see the overall ligation of DNA. DNA ligation close the nicks, whatever the gap is there in the phosphodiester backbone of DNA. DNA ligase is an enzyme that can link together DNA strand. They act as a gum, actually, and it requires ADP for this process.